Now let's take a moment to see if you were able to get the same answers as we do when we do them together for these two division questions. So we'll start with the first one, 2 over 7 divided by 3 over 5. So the rule for division says we invert or flip the second fraction and then multiply. So 3 over 5 becomes 5 over 3, and we change it to a multiplication. Now the rule for multiplication says we multiply our numerators, 2 times 5, to get 10, and we multiply our denominators, 7 times 3, to get 21. And 10 over 21 is a proper fraction. 10 is smaller, the numerator is the lower number, and there is no number that divides evenly both into 10 and 21, so I do not need to reduce it to lowest term, so that is my final answer. 6 over 15 divided by 3 over 5. Again, rule for division says flip or invert the second fraction and change it to a multiply. Now we multiply our numerators and our denominators. However, in this case, if you realize that 6 is 2 times 3 and 15 is 3 times 5, we can do some of our simplification before we multiply, because I have a 3 on top and a 3 on the bottom. So times 3 divide 3 is 1. I don't need to do it. I have a times 5 on top and a divide by 5 on the bottom. Again, that will equal 1. So I don't need to do it, so I can cancel it out. And all I'm left with on the top is 2 times 1 and 1 times 3 on the bottom. So the final answer is 2/3. Now, you could have said, no, rule for multiplication, multiply my tops, 6 times 5 to get 30. Multiply my bottoms, 15 times 3 to get 45. And then, realizing that 15 divides evenly into both of them, 30 divided by 15 is 2, 45 divided by 15 is 3. So you end up with the same answer, and it's right no matter which way you do that.